Have you ever wanted to invest into private companies like OpenAI? They make ChatGPT, if you didn't know, Anthropic, or Canva, then this video is exactly for you because that's what we're going to be talking about today. We're going to be talking about investing into private companies. Normally, us retail investors don't have the opportunity to invest into private companies like the ones I just mentioned. But in today's video, I can show you the exact way on how you can do just that. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get right into it. Let's go. So to invest into these private companies, there's only two real ways. The first way is to be an accredited investor. Pretty much you're going to need to have at least $1 million in net worth or make $200,000 a year or more, or some other task that typically the average person simply does not meet. And the second way is a familiar platform that I've talked about on the channel a couple of times now, and that is known as Fundrise. So we're going to jump into the Fundrise app and I'm going to show you everything. But if you don't know what Fundrise is, it's basically a crowdfunded real estate investment platform. So traditionally, all the money that you invest into the Fundrise platform would go into different real estate across the United States of America. You would be investing into apartment homes, maybe single family homes, maybe industrial warehouses, but you get the point. You're invested into all different types of real estate. In this particular case, they added a brand new fund known as the Innovation Fund. In that innovation fund is where you can invest into these private companies with the hope of them going public, and of course you making a lot of money before they IPO on the stock market for everybody else to trade. So this would pretty much give you the opportunity to invest into these companies with the hope of them going public, and you would get in before everybody else. Let's jump into the platform. Now, the best way that I find to review all the literature when it comes to the Fundrise Innovation Fund is to go ahead on over to their website. On the website under Venture and the Innovation Fund, it states we aim to give all investors the opportunity to invest in a platform of top tier private technology companies before they IPO, which is exactly what we want to do. So in this particular case, the Fundrise Innovation Fund is a group of a whole bunch of different private companies put into one single investment that you can make on the Fundrise platform. If we scroll down, we can see a list of some of those here. So we see Anthropic, like I mentioned before, Databricks is one. It looks like Service Titan is about to IPO. And you can see even more information, including the total of 17 assets. So all the assets are here. Canva is here, Ramp is here. I believe they just had something going on with them. Risotto, Visual Layer, you get the point. Now, if we head on over to my Fundrise account, you'll see even more information, Face ID, and we are in. Right now, my portfolio is sitting at about $6,800. And if you want to learn more about the Fundrise platform, then tons of videos will be linked right up there. Either way, we scroll down, we're actually going to go on over to Venture. As you can see here, it's a very small amount of my portfolio because I just started investing into it, but I do plan to put a couple $1,000s, if not more, into the Venture Fund. The Venture Fund is where the Innovation Fund hides, if you didn't know. Either way, go down to Venture. It's only $50 in here right now. Like I said, I just started. If we scroll down on that though, you can see how everything is broken down. So industry, fund, and asset type. If we keep it on the industry tab, we can see they have 7 different assets or 7 different companies under the modern data infrastructure tab. So if we click on that, we can see what those companies are. And if we head on back, we can see even more. Now, the one sector that interests me the most, of course, is artificial intelligence and machine learning. If we go here, we can see some of the companies that I definitely want to be invested into, like OpenAI and Anthropic. If we click on one of them, let's say OpenAI, you can see it's a late stage company. It's part of the Innovation Fund, like I mentioned before. It gives some details about the company, why the Fundrise platform invested into this company, and a little bit other details like some updates about the company and whatnot. This updates section is pretty much anything regarding major announcements when it comes down to the company that you have clicked. So in this case, like I said before, the OpenAI. We can see that. We can see that they partner with Anduril to do some AI stuff. That's pretty cool. And you scroll down some more, you can see pretty much how everything is broken down. So of course, this is an appreciation objective when it comes to the fund. Total net asset value right now is $252 million. And the inception date is July of 2022. And lastly, to invest, it's as simple as clicking invest and pretty much putting some money in. So let's go ahead and just do $100 for the sake of the video. Boom, Innovation Fund is going to come from my bank account. And we're going to go ahead and get that done. So that'll be the next business day. I'm recording this video on a Sunday, so it'll be in that account on Monday. And I'll be invested into OpenAI and also the other companies, the other 16 companies that's inside this particular fund. Now, as we all know, investing involves risk, and even more so when it comes to the Fundrise Innovation Funds. These companies that you're investing into are early, mid, and late stage companies with one, it looks like, about to IPO. With that, it pretty much means that your investment may be locked up for some time as you wait for these companies to IPO if they do. That time time period could be anywhere from 3 to 5 years or even over 5 years. So if you're not willing to wait that long or don't want to have your money locked up and take that type of risk with your money because you might not be able to withdraw it, then by all means don't invest into the Fundrise Innovation Fund. But for me personally, it is a couple companies in there, about 5 or 6 that I really do like and I really wish I could be invested into, with the idea of them IPOing within 5 years, I'd say. So I'm definitely going to invest a little bit of my money into the Fundrise Innovation Fund. If you wish to do the exact same thing, then you can sign up with my link down below for Fundrise and get $50 to get yourself started. So there you have it. If you're interested in the Fundrise platform or the Fundrise Innovation Fund where you can invest into private companies, then by all means, check out the link down below or check out the other videos to learn more about the platform. If you're looking to learn the basics of investing on the Robinhood platform or Robinhood options, then I have 2 videos, just made them a couple weeks ago. They'll be linked right up there, along with 2 free ebooks that go just along with it. Like I said, 100% free. And lastly, I made a wallpaper pack. If you're interested, check it out. You'll get $5 off with my code down in the description below. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Stay safe, stay positive, and stay hydrated. Dollar Mike. Peace.